Are you having problems with your foot, ankle, knee, or hip? Try this really simple exercise to get these muscles and joints moving and working better together. Try this next time you're sitting down watching TV. Sit down at the front edge of a seat, place an object between your knees. I'm using a yoga block. You can use a pillow or a sweatshirt. Both feet are stacked directly underneath the knee joint and pointed forwards. Apply 20% pressure on this block, just enough to get the inner hips to work. Sit up tall. We're going to lift the ankles off of the ground by pressing the front of the foot down and then slowly lowering the heel down to the ground and then lifting the front of the foot up. And we're gonna go back and forth with this rocking chair motion. Because we're holding onto this block, this is gonna stimulate the inner hip, thigh, and groin to stabilize the knee and the foot joint. So we are working on the entire leg simultaneously. Let's also make sure that both legs come up together and lower together, not one beats the other. This is about restoring balance. Many of you might notice that one ankle feels different than the other. Maybe some might notice a little bit of a tendon tremor. This is the muscle having lost that force-couple relationship and the front and the back no longer being able to work well together. Start off with 1 minute and then build your way up to 5 minutes over time. Fitting simple yet smart exercises like this into your already existing routine can really help you maximize what you're already doing so you can move and feel better on a daily basis.